Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a business card in Adobe Illustrator. I'm using the latest version of the Adobe Illustrator, that is version 2023, and I'll be showing you from the basics, and I will also leave the step-by-step instructions in the description as well. So make sure to check that out. Without further ado, let's get started. To make a business card, first you need to open the Adobe Illustrator and go to the files and select the new. And here you can click on the more settings and you can name the file whatever you want. If you want front and back side of the I'll be showing you I'll be making the double-sided business card, so I will select this as 2. And here you can select the unit in inches. The standard size of a business card is 3.5 into 2. I will select the bleed marks to 0.1 inches. And you can leave these settings as they are. Now click on create document. Once you have done that, you have the two-sided business card template. Now I will copy my logos and other media kit and I will drag it to my file. Now I will zoom out and place it here. I will create a new layer and I will name this as a background. Now I will create the background for both sides. I will zoom in and click on the marquee tool and just click on the artboard. And here I will just put the size of the artboard, that is 3.5 inches into 2 inches, and I will hit OK. Now I will get this box. Now I will use these options to align my rectangle with the artboard. I will do the same with the other one. After doing that, I will select these two boxes and select the eyedropper tool to select the background. I will adjust the gradient by selecting the box and click edit gradient and do that. I will do the same with the other one as well. Now I will lock the background layer. Now I'm going to create a new layer and I'm going to rename it as back design. I'm going to select the ellipse tool here and zoom out. I'm going to create a perfect circle here by holding the shift key. I'm going to place it here. Just like that. Now I will unlock the background layer and select both of these and select the shape builder tool to cut out the unwanted part. And again I'm going to select the ellipse tool and draw another circle by holding the shift key. I'm going to place it just like that. Now by selecting all of these, I'm going to use the shape builder again and cut out this part. Now I'm going to color out this part and I will use the eyedropper tool and click it here, just like that. And here we got the basic design for our business card template. Now I will fast forward the design that I'm making. And there you go, I'm done with the designing. I'm just going to save the file. I'm going to select on my location here. I'll be choosing the format as PDF and hit on save. I'll be using the high quality print option and just save PDF. And here you go, that's our business card design in Adobe Illustrator. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.